How beginners can start making money online step by step. Most beginners fail online not because it's hard, but because they start the wrong way. Let me show you how beginners actually start making money online. If you're watching this with no skills, no capital, and no experience, this video is for you. No fake promises, just what works. Why most beginners try to do everything at once. They chase quick money, skip skills, and quit too early. Online money rewards focus. You need not luck. Beginner-friendly options. Freelance writing, graphic design, Canva, video editing, virtual assistant work. Pick one and ignore the rest. Step 2. Learn for 14 days. Don't overlearn. Learn only what helps you get paid. Rule 1-2 hours daily. Practice, not theory. Copy real examples. Perfection delays income. Step 3. Practice in public. Don't hide. Post your work even if it's not perfect. Examples. Upload samples. Recreate real projects. Show progress. Visibility creates opportunity. Step 4. Go where the money is. Clients don't look for you, you go to them. Platforms beginners can use: Fiverr, Upwork, PO Plepperhor, direct messages. Apply daily. Rejection is normal. Truth about online money. This is not instant, but it's real. Skills pay faster than businesses. Take action today. Pick one skill. Start learning. Practice daily. Apply weekly. No excuses. If you want beginner-friendly online income ideas, subscribe. Like this video so YouTube shows it to more beginners. Comment, start, if you're serious. Everyone starts as a beginner. The difference is who starts and who quits.